DNE's Edu Corner.
Hi everyone, welcome to DNE's Edu Corner and welcome to our tutorial about measuring time and rate. In measuring time, second or seconds is considered as the standard unit. Ang mga tools na ginagamit sa pag-indicate ng time ay ang clock at calendar. Now, there are two commonly used clocks. Ito nga yung tinatawag nating 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Sa 12-hour clock, gumagamit tayo ng AM at PM. Ang AM ay nagmula sa abbreviation ng Latin word na antemeridium. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay before midday. Samantala, ang PM naman ay abbreviation din ng Latin word na post-meridium. Ang ibig sabihin naman ng PM ay after midday. So kung sa 12-hour clock, after ng 12, babalik ito sa 1. Sa 24-hour clock naman, after ng 12, tuloy-tuloy lamang ito. Ang kasunod nito ay 13, 14, and so on. So halimbawa, after ng 12 noon sa 12-hour clock, ang katumbas ng 1 p.m. ay 13 sa 24-hour clock. Ang katumbas naman ng 2 p.m. ay 14, and so on. Samantala, narito naman ang iba't ibang units of time and their equivalents. Ang 1 minute ay katumbas ng 60 seconds. Ang 1 hour naman ay katumbas ng 60 minutes. Kapag sinabing 1 day, ito ay katumbas ng 24 hours. Ang 1 week naman ay mayroong 7 days. Ang 1 month ay katumbas ng 30 days. Ang 1 year naman ay katumbas ng 12 months, katumbas rin ng 365 days or 52 weeks. Ang 1 leap year naman na tinatawag ay katumbas ng 366 days. Additionally, ang 1 decade ay katumbas ng 10 years. Ang 1 score, that means 20 years. 1 century means 100 years at ang 1 millennium ay katumbas ng 1,000 years. Now let's have an example sa units of time at pagkuha ng equivalent nito. Alberto will celebrate his 70th birthday at his place in Laguna Province next week. His sister Alberta posted the upcoming event in social media with caption, "A decade and 7." How many years do you think are there in a decade? So kagaya ng nabanggit natin kanina, may mga equivalent ang bawat unit of time. Ang 1 decade ay katumbas ng 10 years. Therefore, a decade and 7 years is equivalent to 17 years. Now, ano naman ang elapsed time? Kapag sinabing elapsed time, ito yung amount of time that has passed between two events. Now, let's have an example. Darren left at 6 a.m. and got home at 6 p.m. How long was it since he left home? So, ang hinahanap natin sa problem ay yung elapsed time, mula nang umalis si Darren sa bahay hanggang sa siya ay makauwi. So, nakalagay sa ating problem na siya ay umalis ng bahay ng 6 a.m. at dumating or bumalik sa bahay ng 6 p.m. So, i-rewrite muna natin yung dalawang given time into 24-hour clock. So, yung 6 a.m. ang katumbas nito sa 24-hour clock ay 6 and yung 6 p.m. naman ang katumbas nito ay 18 sa 24-hour clock. So, sa pagkuha ng elapsed time, inuuna natin lagi yung time kung kailan natapos yung particular task. And dito nga sa problem natin, nakauwi si Darren ng 6 p.m. So, unahin natin yung 18 na i-convert natin kanina mula sa 6 p.m. at yung 6 naman na nagmula sa 6 a.m. Now, subtract ang magiging difference nito ay 12. Therefore, Darren left home 12 hours ago. Now, let's have another example. Elena started doing her homework at 6:30 p.m. If she spends 2 hours working on her homework, at what time will she complete it? So sa given problem natin, ang hinahanap naman is yung time kung kailan mako-complete yung task dito sa problem. So mayroon tayong nakalagay kung anong oras nag-umpisa at mayroon ding given kung ilang oras ginawa yung homework. Now, ang gagawin natin is gagamit tayo ng isang line kung saan ipapakita natin yung ating time. So, this is 6:30 p.m., yung time na nag-umpisa si Elena gumawa ng homework. And naglagay tayo dito ng mga oras kung saan ang interval ay tagi-isang oras. So, 6:30 p.m., after that, we have 7:30 p.m., and then 8:30 p.m. So, 6:30 p.m., going to 7:30, okay, isang oras ang nakalipas. And sabi sa problem, 2 oras daw ginawa ni Elena ang kanyang homework. So magdadagdag pa tayo ng isang oras. Therefore, matatapos ni Elena ang kanyang homework at 8:30 p.m. Now let's have our last problem. Juliana can travel 6 kilometers in 3 hours using her bicycle. What is her average speed? So sa given problem, ang hinahanap naman ay average speed. So gagamitin natin yung given distance at saka yung time. So ang ibig sabihin ng average speed ay ang distance traveled at a given time. So ang gagamitin nating formula is average speed is equal to distance divided by time. So ito na yon. Average speed is equal to 6 kilometers divided by 3 hours. So kapag i-divide natin ito, 6 divided by 3, that is equal to 2 kilometers per hour. Therefore, Juliana's average speed is 2 kilometers per hour.
Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang pindutin ang like button, mag-subscribe, at i-hit ang bell button para sa marami pang videos.